An expression is shown below, x to the second power plus 0.5x, which is the value of the expression when x is 3. All right, well, whenever you need to substitute a number in for a variable, you always replace the variable with parentheses that number. So this is parentheses 3 squared plus 0.5 parentheses 3. Now, this is an order of operations or a PEMDAS problem. So let me write out PEMDAS like so and remind myself what PEMDAS means. PEMDAS means everything inside the parentheses. That's the P in PEMDAS. Do that first. Then you deal with exponents. Then you multiply, divide, left to right. That does not mean you always multiply first, then divide second. That means you just scan left to right, and if you divide or multiply, whatever that order is. Same thing with A and S. That's the add and subtract. So you add, subtract, left to right, whatever order you're given. Usually that's at the very end of the problem. Now, PEMDAS says let's do everything inside the parentheses first. We do have parentheses, but there's nothing I can do inside the parentheses first, so that step is done. Step 2 is the exponents. I do have an exponent. 3 times itself is 9, so this guy becomes 9. Then you drop down what's left over, plus 0.5 times 3. Are there any more exponents? No. Now we look for multiplying or dividing. We have a multiplication issue right here, 0.5 times 3. Now this is asking half of 3. If you're not sure what half of 3 is, go off to the side. And by the way, you are allowed to use a calculator for this, but just in case you want to see it without a calculator, 0.5 times 3 is going to be 3 times 5, which is 15. So right out of 5, carry the 1. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, you have one decimal, bring the decimal over, so that does become 1.5. So we bring down what's left over, 9 plus 1.5, and 9 plus 1.5 is 10.5. Because after the multiplication, we only had one addition problem to go, 10.5, 10 and a half, 10 and 5 tenths. The answer is going to be D, baby.